There's nothing in them.
There's not.
Oh.
What is it?
You smoke.
What
is
it?
Oh, look at it. What is it? Or where?
Oh, look! Oh.
What does it say? It's tickets to the orchestra.
Yeah.
Trans-Siberian Orchestra.
It's all Christmas
How
pieces.
come there's 3 tickets?
Because
Look!
I paid for that
Look!
parking for you.
Look!
Oh,
Look!
when is it?
It's on the 30th.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Mom's
Look!
gonna have to just stay by herself.
Look!
She'll come on the 30th.
Look!
Look, that's sweet.
I bought you a ticket and your mom.
Look,
That's
Daddy!
you.
Look! Daddy door!
Kids, I bought.
Oh,
Look! Oh.
that's sweet.
Hello?
Hello.
Look,
And-
thank you! Thank you, Mommy!
Rhonda and her whole family will be there too, right near you.
Oh, they are. Well, you go. Mom can stay with the boys.
Stay
That's what I
open.
got her for
Stay
Christmas.
open. Stay open.
Better than
Stay open.
other stuff.
Do you want to open your Snickers?
Okay.
Oh, thank you.
I got it. I'll probably do it.
Oh, wait.
Now, do you want to open your stuff?
Well, I got a bunch of stuff. Oh, Jacob, what's going on
Yeah.
over here? Oh, what? What, did something go under there?
Yeah. I think that.
Do you want to open it? There it is.
Look. So right there.
Thank
What? What?
you. More? You already have something.
You haven't swallowed what's in your mouth now.
More? More?
Mouth.
Open it.
Okay.
What do you want?
Okay.
Oh, you want more candy?
Okay.
Or do you want a piece of candy? Are you excited, Papa?